Hi, it's Mindy from Time to Unwind. And I hope this thing is focused better than it looks to me. Sometimes my eyes are out of focus. Today, I have a surprise. I was shocked when I got this out of the mailbox. This must be a sock crate from a sock crate box from KnitCrate, because I already had their yarn box this month, and they didn't come together, obviously. So I thought I'd show you what came in the sock box. So, as usual, it's wrapped so prettily, and I get the anything goes, and so I'm going to take a shot in the dark and say this might be the Energize box, because that looks pretty bright and cheerful. Ooh, it's squishy too. Oh man, that is nice. This is Knitology cabled sock yarn. Cabled, let me look. Colorway is ginseng. I really like it. Now, it looks kind of gold on my monitor, but I gotta tell you, it's almost an orange. It's more of an orangish. And it's 75% superwash merino, 25% nylon. It's a fingering weight, 440 yards, 402 meters, and 100 grams. Of course, this would be suggested size 0 to 1.5, which would be 2 to 2.5 millimeters. So, oh yeah, ooh, that'd be nice. And for their little gift, oh, this is lovely. An extra couple of yarn needles. And once again, the inspirations book. And so the gemology sock is the pattern, and I can't tell if I can get that so that you can see it or not. And yes, ginseng is the Energize Me sock yarn for this month. So I am tickled, because I really thought that I had gotten everything from KnitCrate already, and then I got this surprise today when I went out to shovel slush out in the front yard, or in the front walk. So I'm tickled, and I hope you'll try KnitCrate sometime when you've got the money. Now, if you would like to, you could contact me at timetounwind.com@gmail.com, and I could refer you, and you could get a trial membership, maybe not to the sock, but to the yarn of the month probably, and then you get a real good buy. The referral box for the trial is $5, and then I would get a free one. So just a thought. So hey, stop in, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the bell so you'll know when we're back. So enjoy your yarn, enjoy whatever you're doing, and we'll be back soon. Bye-bye.